Hey guys, it's Shane. I wanted to jump on here for another product review. This one is from BlackVue. I follow them on Instagram, and last year they posted a video asking for ambassadors. I didn't meet the criteria, but I thought, what the heck, what's the worst they could say? They could just say no. And sure enough, they accepted. So they sent me a unit to put into the Crosstrek to test out and to give feedback and testimonials just like this. So that's what we're gonna do. So there it is. I have it tucked up right behind my rear view. So when you're sitting in the car, minus the wires obviously, you do not see that camera at all. So here's the view from inside the car. Obviously the camera is behind and underneath the mirror there. Wires come out up. I have them tucked behind the sunshade. Ran into a little trim piece for the sunroof, and then tucked down into the trim follows the car to the back rear view. One wire goes down the trim to the floor and back to the rear view. The other one goes down under the seat to the battery. Obviously this is not the perfect or optimal wiring solution. With the car having eyesight, I wasn't sure how or where to run this bit of wire. I could pull the fabric down and run the wires all the way to the hatch, but I'm not real worried about that. This doesn't bother me. It's out of my sight. This could be cleaned up a little bit better, but I'm not sure what to do with these. If anybody's got any suggestions, drop them in the comments. Underneath my seat, you can see the wire here, is the battery pack. The battery pack sits under the seat. It is what the camera pulls from when it's in parking mode, so it's not draining off of your battery. I slid the battery pack under the seat here, put some Velcro on the bottom of it so it wouldn't slide around, but out of sight, out of mind. All the extra cords are tucked down in there as well. So this is where I have it mounted in the hatch for the rear view, right below the third tail light, and ran the wire down through here in the trim, coming out right there below the mat, and then underneath the rear passenger seat. So again, the wire's coming down through here. It's running along this trim, and then I have it running back up here. All right, so you got the dash cam in and installed. How do you access the files? This particular unit is Wi-Fi enabled. So you download the app, BlackVue app, you hit on that, here's your screen. So you have battery pairing, manage your device, a bunch of different features obviously to optimize and customize your unit. But you go to playback live view, join the Wi-Fi network, and there's all your files. This is everything that's stored on the SD card. So depending on how big your SD card is, will determine how much file storage or how far back you can go. This unit is a front and rear camera, so obviously you're doubling up the space that you're using each time the unit records. But you can see here quite a bit of footage. This is going back all the way to yesterday, on my way to and from work. Here's the car sitting in the garage during parking mode, as I mentioned. Here's this morning when I left for work. It also notes, normal conditions. If there was an event, you can also do live record too. So I don't know what you would really use that for. In my case, maybe you're off-roading or something like that, and you want to take a look in front of you or behind you, maybe a view that you wouldn't have from the driver's seat. That view might be able to help you a little bit. Not quite sure what that use case would be, but nevertheless, that is an option. All right, so the unit they sent me was this one here on the screen. It is a Wi-Fi enabled front and rear dash cam combo with a battery pack for parking mode. To find the perfect dash cam for you, I'll drop a link here on the screen, as well as a link in the video description. I just want to say thank you to BlackVue for giving me the opportunity to run this dash cam and to share this information with everybody online. You know, I'm thankful that I have the dash cam and thankful that I haven't had to use it for any legal purposes, but it does provide some peace of mind. And if you're doing anything fun and you get any kind of on-road incidences that you might want to share, you know, it's all at your fingertips, literally on your phone, or pull the SD card out of the camera and transfer it that way. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks again to BlackVue. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them the best that I can. Again, link to BlackVue is also in the video description. I'll link it down here once again. And hopefully you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.